Replace the 2023 Kia Forte engine air filter. Simple process, you need no tools, and let's get into it. First, pop the hood right here. Then slide the lever to your left and then lift up the hood, or you could say bonnet. Then locate the air filter box. Then locate the clamps on the filter box. This one on the top here, you're gonna pull it to the left to release. And this one here, you're gonna pull it to the right to release. Then go ahead and pull up the box to reveal the filter. This filter here, it only has 20,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with a new one, as you can see, and it's gonna work perfect. Now, this vehicle have 20,000 miles on it. Due to the fact that now I can see that at 20,000 miles, the filter is fairly still good. I'm gonna run this new filter to 50,000 miles, so it's gonna be doing 30,000 miles to see how bad it really gets around there, where I could have a good gauge on when to replace it. Now just go ahead and install the filter and repeat the same process in reverse. When installing the filter box, there's gonna be a little slot right here that you need to slide the box into to lock it into place. And there's gonna be another one on the other side. Then you're gonna squeeze the latches back onto the box, just like so. And once these latches are tightly fastened, that's it, you're good to go. I hope that this video will help. As you can see, it's very simple. You don't need no tools, no experience. Just make sure you put back everything the way it's supposed to be, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.